Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My full name is Anggreni Alifatul Laili. My student number is 20. So now I will present Freedom Writers by Richard Lagrange, Cognitive Psychological Theory. First abstract. The purpose of this study is to understand the implication of racial oppression if Freedom Writers movie according to cognitive psychological theory. The type of this research is qualitative research. The researchers use two data types, namely primary data and secondary data. Primary data in this research is from Freedom Writers, and the secondary data of this research is theory related to references and materials of the study. The result of this research are racial and color scheme differences are no obstacle for them in living life. Whatever race is embedded in a person is a gift, not a disaster. Next, introduction. The world is diverse, so are its inhabitants. In every part of the world has its own characteristic, one of which is race. In any country, there are races contained in the people who are caused by hereditary custom. However, there are also countries which are inhabited by various races, such as the United States. Racial oppression takes place in the poorest and the richest countries, including America. Racial oppression is marked by the majority or races in power, imposing belief, values, and laws on the minority or the government race popular. Racism is defined here as any individual institutional activity, intentional or not, based on a belief in white superiority and ethnic minority inferiority, which serves to maintain white supremacy through the oppression and conquest of members of ethnic minority groups. This is an extension of an attitude into an action. Although the focus of attention is on behavior, attitudes are very important because they are the motivating force that determines the nature of the action taken by a person. If racism is understood systematically, attitude becomes one of the interdependent elements in the process that culminates in various acts of oppression. Attitudes and action are bound to one another. Next, literature review. According to Tennis Medellin 2013, this includes watching the film Freedom Writers to focus on how this philosophy is included in the film. After watching, the participants wrote an essay about the importance of meeting the needs of their students. This activity allows participants to relate theory to practice because it encourages them to take a reflective attitude, identify some of the strategies they have witnessed in the film, and evaluate how this can benefit their future students. Multicultural education has a big impact like racism. Therefore, the teacher must have the strength, the program, and also a very strong intention to struggle this Pimentel 2010. However, Anto Setia Dilaksana 2009, he examines the character of Erin Crowell as a major character who has anxiety. So far, no one has examined the racial oppression that occurs in the film Freedom Writer by using cognitive psychology. They mostly only research about the psychology experienced by his character and the teaching program conducted by Erin Crowell. Next, methodology. In this research, the writer used descriptive qualitative method. Sun 2002 defines qualitative research as a form of systematic empirical inquiry into meaning. Tenzin and Lincoln 2000 claim that qualitative research involves an interpretive and naturalistic approach. This means that qualitative researchers study things in their natural settings, attempting to make sense of or to interpret phenomena in terms of the meanings people bring to them. In this research, the researchers use two data types, namely primary data and secondary data. Primary data in the research is from freedom writers, and the secondary data of this research is theory related to references and materials of the study. Theory that related to this study is cognitive psychological theory. Cognitive psychology is the branch of psychology that focuses on the way people process information. It looks at how we process information we receive and how the treatment of this information leads to our responses. In other words, cognitive psychology is interested in what is happening within our minds that links stimulus, input and response or output. In this research, the researchers identifies racial oppression which causes traumatic behavior towards the person or group that is being killed, causing racial division at that time. Next, result and discussion. Result. There are many things that show about racial oppression that causes a traumatic experiences for the victims, so that white and black skins never be in good relation. Also, when Mrs. Erin Crowell taught them in the class about English literature, she realized it when she asked her students to write the journal secretly, and suddenly she caught one of her students who laughed about a drawer. It drew a man with a black skin and it shot one by one without her knowledge when she just writes on a board. Then she puts on the drawer and told them about a Holocaust, a pecan star, ever from Germany that leads by Nazi. The following dialogue are: Lady, I'm lucky if I make it to 80. We in a war. We're creating every day we live because we ain't afraid to die protecting our own. Next discussion. Based on the result above originated from children who have severe traumatic behavior that they find in the wrong way and tend to be naughty to each other, feeling that their group is the highest compared to their racial group and assume that the black race is not fit to be friends with the white race. Slowly, Mrs. Crewell assured them that they were the same as the fact of a struggle in their past and there was no difference between whites and blacks. They set food on the same land, live in the same sky, have the same goals of success in whatever future will happen and do not want their dark past to be repeated. Finally, Mrs. Cruel managed to get them to college and they were already behaving like educated people. The next finding and conclusion. Freedom Writer is a movie about the phenomena in 1992, which is the most of inhabitants in America are have a white skin and their degree is higher than black skin, which is they consider weak and poor. Every group of races are the best one, but Mrs. Cruel comes and change all of it. Start from their habitual who are likely to fight and mocking each other and do not have a respectful things to their classmates. Mrs. Cruel is curious why her students are being like that, so she initiatively do the approaches to the students. The focus of this study is racial oppression are true, but it is not to make division but to unite them as all as one. There are some previous studies about freedom writers, but there are still a few researchers that research about implication of racial oppression in freedom writers by using cognitive psychological theory. The type of this research is qualitative research. The researchers used two data types, namely primary data and secondary data. Primary data in this research is from freedom writers, and the secondary data of this research in theory related to references and materials of the study. The result of this research are racial and color scheme differences are not obstacle for them in living life. Whatever it is embedded in a person is a gift, not a disaster. So there are differences. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.